Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by locking the scope. Pick the era, 4 pivotal scenes, and a target runtime so the story stays focused. Once chosen, collect reliable sources, reference images, and any archival maps to maintain accuracy. This prevents rework later. Next, decide the animation style, 2D cutout for quick production, motion graphics for cleaner timelines, because that choice determines software, asset needs, and frame rates. Make sure to pick a TTS, or voice actor, now, so narration pacing matches scene length. Once assets are planned, you create layered vectors or PSD files so each limb and prop animates independently. This saves time in rigging. Then assemble a 1-2 minute animatic combining keyframes and placeholder narration to test pacing and shot length, because timing makes or breaks comprehension. While doing this, set project specs, 24 FPS and 16:9 aspect ratio, and pick a limited color palette to keep production consistent. Make sure to label layers and export reference sheets for compositing. You animate in passes. Start with rough motion to establish timing, then refine easing and secondary movement, and finally add details like dust, smoke, or paper flutter to sell the era. Once animation is locked, mix audio, clean narration, ambient effects, and period music, making sure overall levels sit around -6 dB so nothing clips. Render a high-quality master and an H.264 delivery file. If timing or sync is off, check the animatic alignment first and relink mismatched audio layers immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.